Ever noticed how Igbo sounds different in different regions? Well, that's because Igbo is full of rich dialects that vary across regions, whether you're from the north or south. Here's a quick guide to help you understand one of the key differences: letter swaps. For purposes of this video, we've grouped these into northern and southern regions, although there is a lot of overlap. Now let's dive into L and R swaps. Water in the south is usually pronounced miri, and water in the north is usually pronounced mili. Similarly, want is chara. Many people in southern areas say want as chara, and many people in northern areas say want as cholo. N and L swaps. Even house changes from ola to ona. People in the south would say ola. Many people in the north would say ona. If you don't know, now you know how these swaps are key to understanding how Igbo dialects vary. Want to dive deeper? Stay tuned for more Igbo language tips.